yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. Just tell me that I can, just tell me that I can, just tell me that I can, just tell me that I can. Anything negative, cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big boss, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise.
I wanted to show you this. This is my new toy. This is the Graco Ultimate MX airless handheld sprayer. Picked this up at Sherwin-Williams. Ran me about 850 bucks. It's gonna save me a ton of time, so I'm excited to use it. Let's get some product in here and try it out. So this thing works great, don't get me wrong. I think I needed to turn the setting up a little bit, have it shoot out a little faster, but I'm just gonna let this dry, sand it down with a 220 grit, and then give another shot, kind of see how it turns out. I was getting a lot of little spit marks, as you can see on here. I want it to be a nice, misty finish. I mean, it's not looking bad, but we'll see how it does after another coat. But it's definitely gonna save me a ton of time. I'm gonna spray the rest of these doors, sand them down, and then do another coat or two, depending on what it looks like they need. But instead of hand applying this with a roller or a brush or something like that, this is gonna go so much faster. Okay, it's a beautiful day. Today we're gonna be finishing up this job, picking up this trim that I painted, and we're gonna get these puppies installed. Well, I picked a good day to film. This has never happened to me before, but I guess I didn't do a very good job at putting my trim on the truck. So yeah, it's all over the road. Some of it's probably salvageable, but I don't know, probably 100 bucks worth of trim or more. Could have done without that today. Yeah, well, I'll use what I can and then I'll just get more. Definitely gonna have to touch up the paint. So it's 9 o'clock and this is the third night I've stayed late. This is the latest I've stayed, but I think I stayed till about 8 o'clock last night. Monday stayed late too. So I'm pushing 30 hours or something on this project pretty easily, probably closer to 40. I get to go back to work on my other project, the mountain home, still going on. So once I put all this stuff away, I'm out of here.